Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
Simple English Guide: How to use by or with. In English, words like by and with are prepositions. They can be confusing, especially for beginners. But don't worry, in this guide, we will explain how to use by and with in simple words with examples. When to use by. 1. To show who or what does something. Agent of action. We use by to talk about who does something. Examples. The story was written by the teacher. The picture was painted by my friend. 2. To talk about how we travel or send messages. Means of transport, or communication. We use by when talking about how you travel or send something. Example sentences. I go to school by bus. She called me by phone. 3. To show location. Near something. We use by when we talk about being next to something. Example sentences. The shop is by the park. There's a cafe by the street. When to use with. 1. To show who you are with. Companionship. We use with to talk about who you are doing something with. Examples. I am going to the market with my friend. She is playing with her brother. 2. To talk about the tool or object you use. Instrument or tool. We use with to talk about what you use to do something. Examples. He cut the paper with scissors. She wrote the note with a pencil. 3. To talk about possession or characteristics. We use with when we talk about something someone has. Examples. The man with the red hat is my uncle. She is a girl with a lot of talent. Things to remember. Don't use by for tools. Examples. He opened the door by a key. It is wrong. The right way is, he opened the door with a key. Don't use with for who does something. Examples. The cake was baked with Anna. It is wrong. The right way is, the cake was baked by Anna. To use by and with correctly, remember, by talks about who does something, how you travel, or location. With talks about who you are with, what you use, or what someone has.